guys, this is all of the time, and today we're making chocolate covered strawberries. Today I have two helpers with me.
It's me, Laika the bear, and Grayley and Cousins. Okay,
We're making chocolate covered strawberries today, and we have two flavors of chocolate. We have regular chocolate.
I'm gonna say the other kind.
And we have
White chocolate.
And we're boiling it in the stove right now, so they'll get all melty.
They actually look like chocolate and vanilla ice.
We have this empty jar in here, so these won't tip over. Oh, okay. So, we're gonna, after I put chocolate on the strawberries, we're gonna lay them out on parchment paper. Parchment paper keeps it from sticking onto things.
Is that about ready? Because I want to eat this.
Yes, it is about ready. I want to eat them too.
You killed the strawberry! She killed the strawberry!
How rude.
No, look, literally.
How rude.
Literally, it looks like
Rude.
blood.
Rude. Murder.
120. Oh, gosh.
Here's my other cousin, and she has a channel too. What's your channel?
Making chocolate forever Emma. My one.
Emma! Really, what are you all doing? Okay, guys. So now it's time to dip the strawberries, the best part. So do we pour it in here? All right. So we gotta.
Oh, can I put
So
it
first
in?
we. No, it's too hot. Pour this in the bowl. Okay.
Got one ready.
Let me get a spoon. Wait, no, guys, don't get it. So you're gonna dip them like this and then roll them all around like that. But make sure the chocolate goes up to, look. Make sure the chocolate goes up to here, because you guys are doing it like one quarter of it. And then I will take off the bottom of it and then look, lay it on its side. Don't lay it straight up, because then it won't dry right. Okay?
Are you kidding me?
Good job. Good job, Grayley.
Okay. Good. Jump on your back.
Go.
That's not gonna work, people. I think you can. Okay, yeah, I killed it.
Yeah, this is why we're gonna use our hands.
These are so good, I just want to eat one already. These are so good, I want to eat one.
You can also do drizzle.
Yeah.
It is.
Butter and sugar.
Butter and sugar.
And
why does sugar taste good? No one
you know what? I
knows.
could have drizzled it with powdered sugar and milk in it.
Or, yeah.
Or we'll just leave it like that
Yeah.
for now.
Not eating that. Oh, I thought you were eating.
Mommy, stop eating our things. What do you mean? Okay,
Just make
now
sure it
look,
tastes good.
since you guys have been doing such a good job with your chocolate covered strawberries, you know what we can do?
Eat one right now?
Pick your own strawberry, dip it in, and then eat it. Because we have done such a good job making these that we just tried today. Oops. Oh, there. There you go. No, it's not. Put that there.
Twins. We got twins.
Wait. One hand in here at a time. Okay? Oops. One hand. Who did that one? Probably Granny.
Yeah.
I know I did that one.
Yummy, guys.
Oh no. We're going to eat them.
No, you're not.
Yeah, we are.
I know.
I can't wait to eat one.
Me either. I made chocolate covered marshmallows before. I don't know what we're gonna do now.
Yeah.
No, like I seriously don't know what we're gonna do. We're done now. Now we're gonna let everyone else have a bite. But my mommy already stole one.
But say, I love her so much and she does so much for me. I'm going to give her another one.
But I love her so much and she does so much for me, so I'm gonna give her another one.
Okay.
And she's so pretty.
And nice.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. And I love her. Same.
Me too. She.
Are you taking her one now?
I want to give her this one.
Okay. Graylee will.
I
Dakota. Okay, go.
Thank you.
I wanted to give her this one.
Oh, thank you. Whoa. Good. Guys, you didn't. You were serious about this chocolate.
What? I love chocolate. Oh, that one was on me. That was on me.
Thank you.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Make sure to like my channel. Make sure to like my channel and subscribe and click the bell. Bye.
No, literally, I love this.
Today I have two helpers with me.
Like Coda Bear and...
Okay, so I'm gonna say my intro, and then you're gonna say, "It's me, Coda from Like Coda Bear," and then Graylee's gonna say, "It's me, Graylee from the 10 Cousins." Okay, ready? Guys, this is All of the Time, and today we're making chocolate-covered strawberries. And today I have two helpers with me.
It's me, Like Coda Bear, and it's Kaylee from 10 Cousins.